Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fraction tree or a factor tree. And the purpose of that is to do the prime factorization of a number. So if I wanted to do the prime factorization of the number 24 by using a factor tree, here's what I do. I break down the number 24 into two factors. And it doesn't matter which two you start with, you're going to end up with the same answer. So I could start with 12 and 2, I could start with 6 and 4, I could start with 8 and 3, whichever ones I want. And I'll start with 8 and 3. Now what you do is when you list your two factors, if one of them is prime, you circle it. And 3 is prime because the only two factors of 3 are 1 and itself. Once you've circled it, you're done breaking it down on that side. You continue to break down this number. So 8 can be broken down into 4 and 2. And 2 is prime, so I'm going to go ahead and circle 2. 4 can further be broken down into 2 and 2, both of which are prime, so I'm going to circle them both. Now that all of my branches have been circled off, I'm done breaking things down. What I'm going to do is write this out in standard form: 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So I just listed all the prime numbers that I circled. And now this is normally written in exponential form, so I'm going to rewrite 2 times 2 times 2 as 2 to the third power times 3. My name is Maria, and I just showed you how to use a factor tree.